The road to Vangri-la leads us across a vast lake. The lake holds strange creatures we have never seen before. Across the lake, a winding road through a dense jungle awaits. Birds, animals of every sort. A living symphony of nature. We reach an opening and behold the city of Vangri-la. A giant serpent welcomes us, not as enemies, but as friends. We cross the bridge, eyes wide, hearts racing. The city, astonishing, futuristic, beyond imagination. Futuristic cars join us along the road. With every mile closer, our anticipation grows. The city looms, magnificent, waiting. We arrive. Waterfalls greet us. Creatures, friendly, curious. And we are guests in their paradise. From an overlook, we take in the breathtaking view. An airship, a cyclone, arriving in the distance. The sky itself, alive. We drive the parkways, birds, bees in our wake. Strange airships soar overhead. The cityscape, beautiful. Its people, its creatures, its world, all united. Here we see harmony. Animals, plants, humans, together as one. But we must leave before nightfall. We pause one last moment to look back at Vangri-la. We drive away, hearts full, minds alive. An experience of a lifetime. As the sun sets behind us, we wonder, what name could honor our journey? What name for the vessel that carried us here? At last, we knew. We would name our van after the city, Vangri-la. Vangri-la, a custom DIY project built with heart by Gary and Lila Schultz.